This is Roxy at the park. As you can see, we're in that baseball field, and there's Roxy. She followed me from home. She's with us. I can't believe this. Hey Roxy, what are you doing? You came to the park, come on. This is the greatest day of Roxy's life. She's like, she can't believe it. There goes Hannah. And there's Roxy. Come on, Roxy. Come on. Uh-oh. Come on. Here she comes. Here she comes. Come on. Here she comes. Here she comes. Oh my God. There she is. At the park. Isn't this crazy? Her mouth is open. She's on the hunt. Roxy, what are you doing? Oh, I hope it's not too hot for her. She's panting a little bit. Pretty cool, huh, Roxy?